Daily English Lesson 7, Asking for and Giving Directions, Extended Version with Examples. One-line English lecture script. Today's lesson focuses on asking for directions and giving directions. This is one of the most practical skills for travel, daily life, and simple street conversations. Clear communication helps prevent confusion and makes people feel safe and confident. Let's begin with the word directions. Directions are instructions that help someone move from one place to another. For example, someone might need to find a bus stop, a store, or a famous building. Many English learners feel nervous when asking for directions. This happens because the conversation can be quick and full of small phrases. But don't worry, once you learn the common patterns, the process becomes simple. Let's start with polite ways to ask for help. Here are natural sentences used in real situations. Excuse me, may I ask you something? Hi, could you help me for a moment? Sorry to bother you, but I'm a little lost. These sentences prepare the listener and show respect. A polite opening makes people more willing to assist you. Now let's focus on asking for directions. Here are common question patterns. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Where is the nearest bus stop? Is there a supermarket around here? Can you tell me the way to the museum? Which direction is the library? Each of these questions is short, clear, and easy to understand. You don't need long sentences, simple structure works best. Next, let's introduce vocabulary used when giving directions. The word straight means moving forward without turning. Turn left means move to the left side. Turn right means move to the right side. Go past means continue until you pass a building or object. Intersection means a place where two roads cross each other. A block is the distance between two streets, common in Western cities. Now let's practice simple example responses. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn right after the bank. Go past the park and you'll see it on your left. It's next to the post office. It's across from the hospital. These phrases form the foundation of direction giving in English. Let's explain the idea of landmarks. A landmark is a building or object that is easy to recognize. It helps guide people more accurately. Examples of landmarks include a tall hotel with blue windows, a big supermarket on the corner, a bridge over the river, a school with a large gate. Using landmarks makes directions easier for listeners to follow. Now let's build full conversation examples to show how everything works together. Example conversation 1, asking for a place nearby. Excuse me, where is the nearest coffee shop? It's really close. Walk straight for 1 minute and you'll see it on your right. Example conversation 2, asking for transportation. Hi, how do I get to the bus station? Go straight until you reach the second intersection. Then turn left. The bus station will be on your left side. Example conversation 3, asking for a more complicated route. Sorry, could you tell me how to get to the museum? Sure. Walk straight for 3 blocks. Then turn right at the library. Go past the big fountain. You'll see the museum across from the park. This step-by-step style helps the listener build a mental map. Now let's look at phrases for checking understanding. Sometimes you might not catch every word. It's completely normal to ask for clarification. Could you repeat that, please? Do I turn left at the first light or the second one? Sorry, was that 2 blocks or 3 blocks? Am I going the right direction? These questions prevent misunderstandings and help you stay on track. Let's also look at polite ways to respond when someone thanks you. You're welcome. No problem. Happy to help. Glad I could assist. Small expressions like these make the conversation complete and natural. Next, let's discuss using maps and technology. Many people use smartphones, but sometimes the signal is weak. In some places, streets look similar and maps are confusing. That is why real-life conversation remains an important skill. Let's talk about describing surroundings, which helps listeners orient themselves. For example, there's a bank on the corner. You'll see a green building on the left. It's the tall building behind the parking lot. You'll hear a lot of traffic, it's near a big road. Information like this makes directions much clearer. Now let's review how to give directions smoothly. Start with the first movement step. Then give the turning point or landmark. End with the final destination. This structure keeps the instructions easy to remember. Finally, remember that most people are willing to help if you ask politely. Even if your English is not perfect, friendly communication works. Direction-related English is simple once you become familiar with the patterns. The more you practice these short sentences, the more confident you will feel. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Try practicing these example conversations aloud. When you walk outside, imagine describing routes in English. These small habits will greatly improve your fluency over time.